Yeah, you're recording, but I'm gonna do this. I so sing the sound. So you're on your own. Tell us all about your vehicle.
All right, we got a 2006 GMC Canyon. I had the truck for about 10 years. I bought it in 2009, and about 5 years ago we started working on a truck. Every year we'd do something new for the truck. So up front here we have the hood, and it was all handmade. It took about 7 weeks to build, and this here is a Volkswagen Golf hood that I got out of a junkyard, and I've handed this wolf out for about 13 hours to make this wolf, and the eyes light up, and around here, around the hole here, lights up. As you can see the wolf through the hood here, so that lights up at night. And these are Harley Davidson blinkers, so they're connected to your blinkers over here, and they go both left and right. And right here is 600 watt kicker speakers that are right here that come on. They're LED, they remote control, and they light up at night 20 different colors. And there's over on this side, there's holes here, so when your hood is down, you can actually have your music coming out. When your hood is down, you can still hear it. And then we got Lamborghini doors here that shut and close. And right here we stuck a little piece here for the door to come out a little bit farther. Back this way, there's mirrors in the ceiling up inside. There's lights in the front, back, and in the middle of the ceiling. There's 3 million color underglow underneath the truck. There's a coffin for their armrest, and then we have remote controls for the underglow underneath the truck. We painted it two-tone, slate gray and black. All the stripe that you see onto the truck, it's all airbrushed on. It has 1-ton leaf springs in the back. It has it's got a cold air intake, stainless steel dual exhaust on it. This tonneau cover here was handcrafted by me, and it's all carved out, and it's a dance floor too. So the springs on the back here can hold 8 to 10 people on the back of this thing when the music is on. The hardwood floor in there is a redwood floor inside, and this is just all plywood that's been staying. There's 8, 6.5, 2 10s, and 3 12s inside of this truck. So right now, right back here is 3 12s, 2 10s are inside, right there up front, and in the back of the truck. And it's really loud. And so we're going to move back this way.
What's this here? Well, that looks like a 57 Prev here.
That's a 57 Chevy, yeah.
57
Chevy, Bel Air, yeah. Yeah, and that was all handcrafted too. Took about 5 months to put all that on.
So you made that section totally, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
So we took, put 2 inches down here to stretch out that fender, 8 inches under the bumper, 4 inches under the tailgate. It was all...
What's the bumper here from the 57 Prev?
This part?
No, the bumper itself.
8 inches under the bumper.
Okay, it was a 57 Prev, was it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, this part, the taillight and all that bumper, even this is all 57. It's come from a 57 Chevy 4-door.
Okay.
It's where it came from.
Yeah.
And I bought the parts for $150 from a guy that turned his car into custom 57. And he had all them parts down in his basement, so he asked me if I wanted to buy the part for $150. So I bought it for $150 a part, and then started working on the truck there. We started in the middle of November till the middle of May when we got done the rear end of the truck. And then the tonneau cover up here is a wolf, and it's all made out of pine boards, and they're all glued together. And I drew the picture, I carved it, and I painted it. And it has steel bars inside of the truck that hold together so people can stand on the back of it when the music is on.
It's talking feet, I presume.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before, yeah.
So, and this here is made from a guy from the States. He painted that. He's called the One-Armed Bandit. He's only got one left arm, and when he paints that, he doesn't use no masking tape or no nothing. It's all freehand, and he stands back, and he looks at this side, and he paints it exactly the same on the other side. And it took him 5 hours to paint that, and the purple around my flames around my truck took him 5 hours to paint that on here up to Moncton Nationals when I went up. And come over on this side. Over on this side is a built-in pop cooler. We stuck inside of the truck.
Maybe some beer too on the odd time.
That too, or you can stick all your ice holds, about 12 cans in there, and you don't know that it's there, so you just shut the door and for that. So, and then we put a sliding window in here. It had an original window in it, so we took the one out, and then we put the sliding one in, and yeah.
We'll open the door there, see what's inside the back.
So we just got mirrors up in the ceiling, and then we got a sub in the back. Back there. So I think that's all I can think of right now.
Okay, well, thanks for the interview.
Of what the truck is. So, all right. Thank you.
Okay. No, thank you.